Today we're doing another quick one, the Aliante Nature Discovery Park. Don't feed the birds, don't go swimming, stay out the water. This is only like, I think it's 3,000 something feet of a hike. So not very big at all. However, if you live in the Aliante area, it's a really nice place to check out. So here it says, just as the city of North Las Vegas is an oasis for humans within the harsh Mojave Desert, a native habitat is an oasis for wildlife within the city. By planting and maintaining native flora, we are able to help preserve the beauty and richness of the Mojave Desert. The Costas hummingbird lives in southern Nevada all year round and requires over 1,000 flowers every day to meet their energy needs. Both males and females have greenish feathers on their wings and body. Males have bright purple feathers on their heads. The firecracker penstemon is a favorite flower among hummingbirds due to its tubular shape. God, that's a big ass bug. Okay. Yeah, this shirt attracts bugs. Where was I? Oh yeah, it's a favorite flower among hummingbirds due to its tubular shape and bright red color. Hummingbirds have long, skinny beaks which are perfect for reaching the nectar deep inside the flower. Non-point source pollution is water pollution that has many non-distinct origins, often from rain, water, washing pollutants into bodies of water. We can all do our part to keep our water clean by properly disposing of household chemicals, vehicle fluids, pet waste, and other forms of waste. Check out the Canada geese. So the Canada geese are known for flying in a V formation to help with wind resistance for the trailing geese. I just read that. They got trash cans all around in case you got yourself some KFC earlier and you finished with it. Check that right there in the trash. We got nice little bridges here too. More Canada geese. It's a dog-friendly trail too. They got poop bags. See how close they'll let us get to them. Check out this big ass pine tree. So this is on the corner of Aliante and Nature's Park. Get yourself a Carl's Jr. and Capriotti's across the street. Starbucks, Arby's, Smith's, KFC. It's nice. It's a super shaded trail, and the water helps keep things cool as well. I think this is a mallard hybrid duck. Let me film you. Don't yell at me. I'm going to film you. And then we're going to taste this one here. Alright, I'll leave you alone. I think that's a pigeon. I think that this is a Muscovy duck. Hey there, buddy. How you doing? I don't think they make noises. I think they just hiss. Look at the roots on this thing. We got another bridge here. And then we got a kids park here. And they have a little water pad park there for this summertime, I think. Yeah. Yeah, stay cool in the summertime. Little picnic area there with some shade. Check out that little turtle. Here we got a red yucca. Got a little turtle there sunbathing. More picnic area. The barbecue over here. It's nice and shaded. Being in the desert, it's nice to be around even just a little bit of water. Are these little baby Canada geese? There's a lot of empty open space here for picnics and gatherings. A lot of shade under the trees. You got more little secluded spots to barbecue. There's one there, there, and there. Get yourself a little rusty water. Oh, that don't work. Huh, that don't work either. Never mind, no water. I think this is a bocce ball court. And you can play horseshoe. You can play some volleyball. Somebody left their Air Force hat here. You got tennis courts. Which will be reopened on the 12th. You also have a library here. How cool is that? Hello, pigeons. You know how I can tell this is a really cool park to hang out at? Because there's so much trash all over the place. Trash. 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 Oh no, that's a Muscovy duck. Trash. Trash. More trash. Try to sneak up on these turtles here. Alright, calm down. I want to get a close up. Don't run. Don't. Don't do it. Just don't. Oh. Trash. More trash. Check that out. And you have to go through this when you're here. And it's for the kids, but you can't not do it. You know what I mean? One more piece of trash for your viewing pleasure. It's only 8 in the morning and it's already getting hot. Alright, that was a nice little hike. It was a nice change of pace. Today's hike, we are celebrating with Foster's. Brewed in the USA. And Nut Harvest. Flamin' hot peanuts. I'll see you guys on the next trail. It's going to be the Las Vegas Wash Trail, I think. So, cheers to another trail. please do the YouTube stuff.